Sorry, I didn't mean to crowd you, man. Just gonna go around.
You know, it'll take time to restore chaos and order, but we will.
Today, I'm with the club. Kneecap friendly and ready to go. Anyway, today's gonna be kind of a weird day. We're gonna go to a place that is actually an Asian take on American fast food, right? Sounds cool, right? Anyway, that's where we're gonna go. What are you doing?
I came here to go off-roading, but there's a cop.
The last time we took this bike off-road, nearly killed it.
If you want to see Delinky off-road, you gotta go over to Extra Delinky.
That's true. I do have a dirt bike channel.
It's like pretty quick.
Oh, you wanna go see Bobalo?
Cocky boy.
I'm a little upset with Bob.
How come? Come on,
I found some really weird text messages on my wife's phone.
Let's go bang them up. Come on, I'll buy us a bang if they have them.
Headshoo! Oh, headshoo! That's so gross. Oh, gross. I need a new helmet now. I just need one. I can't live with this helmet. Oh shit, they finally removed the cactus. Remember that cactus? It was right there. Dude, it'd stick way out. I bet somebody hit it and really messed themselves up. Hello, sir. I forgot to pay attention to the temperature of the bike. The last time I rode it, the bike was still overheating a little bit. I had it all apart this morning before today's ride. I basically flushed the coolant system, did my best to get all the air out of it. Seems like it's running a little cooler, so I might have fixed it. I don't know, man. I'm not a mechanic. Oh, no. We're going around this dude. Can I talk on your walkie-talkie? All right, guys, it's lunchtime. Everybody come back 3 hours later. Overtime for everyone.
Yeah, I like the sound.
Yeah, buddy.
It sounds like a good idea. Hey, you guys have a good one.
You too. That'd be a good foreman. Give everybody overtime and lunch. This road is so smooth now, man. Look at it, man. People are gonna be ripping through this. I'm gonna take this opportunity to thank all the patrons of the channel, man. You know who you are. I love each and every one of you. You guys keep me going. Wouldn't want to do this without you. Thanks for the support and thanks for standing by me. It really does. It means a lot. Bob's about to get roughed up. Bob, you need to keep your cock to yourself. I saw what you did. I saw my wife's phone playing with your cock. What do we got? We got stuff.
Bobby.
Just moved here from Michigan. Dude, I'm from Michigan. Finally got to come here. Been watching you for 3 years. Keep it up. Steve, all right, man. Thanks, Steve. What is this? Car Make Corns USA? Thanks, Caden.
You want to come by Bob? Only 2 payments of 49 cents.
I want one really hard payment of $1, though. That's it. We got a note and a card.
Note in the card? I'm getting this cock.
Well, just grab me one, whichever one.
Dude, I don't know what to do.
I'll do the blue. Raspberry. Let's do Ras. Ras. I'm going to tell you one more time, man. I want to see no more pics of my wife's phone.
It's terrible.
It's the worst flavor, huh?
No.
I like the Ras. I got blue Ras. I don't even like Ras. What is Ras? Raspberry, I assume. So the place we're going to today, it's been around for a long time, like 40 years long time. It's called Jollibee. And what makes it so interesting, it's an Asian take on American fast food. So originally this place wasn't even found in the United States. It was established in the Philippines back in '78 or so. And at some point in the 90s or late 80s, it came over to the United States and opened up a location in California, Northern California, I believe. Why are all the girls in my life telling me to stop? So what should I expect from this place? I don't know, man. It's been around for a while and there's more and more locations opening up, so I assume it's good. They serve spaghetti, fried chicken, cheeseburgers. I'm assuming they just kind of picked out all America's favorite fast food and tried to kind of mimic it. Circus wild, deep in the infant's mind. Silent scream, bury the unwanted child. Man, that bang gave me a lot of energy. You got me. I don't know, man. Maybe I should drink a bang before I ride every day. I'm feeling good, man. Ugh. Sorry, I didn't mean to crowd you, man. Just gonna go around.
He doesn't like you.
He does not. ever told you how much I'm in love with this motorcycle? I think it's kind of weird when a Porsche is the slowest car on the road. That thing might as well be a motorcycle. Convertible, man. I've never been into convertibles myself. My wife had a convertible at one point. She had one of those little Z3s. Dude, I hated that car. So far, do you want to know what the best part of today is? I haven't gotten one Prius. I mean, I've seen a couple, but not one of them has impacted anything about today's adventure. In fact, there's one, there's one, there's one, but around me, none. Oh yeah, dude. Look at this thing, Airstream. These are so cool. I haven't seen a nice one like this in a long time. Right on. You know what, man? I'm going to take this opportunity to give a little shout out to a friend that might need a little pick-me-up. It's a dude I met out in Canada while I was there with Voss for the Voss River Run. Jazz, I want you to know if you're watching this video, dude, I'm rooting for you, man. I hope you pull through out of that funk. Shit gets better, I promise. Keep your head up, brother. This bike's bigger than that car. Get out of here, Prius. I think I fixed the bike. It hasn't been overheating at all, man. Temperature's been good. Good to go. Maybe I am a mechanic. I think we're about a mile away from this place. This is exciting, man. I can't wait for the spaghetti. I have a feeling it's going to taste like Chef Boyardee. Like SpaghettiOs, but we'll see. Okay, this place is coming up. Where is it? Jollibee. Home of the famous Chicken Joy. Jollibee, man, home of the famous Chicken Joy. Asian version of American fast food. What'd you think, dude?
I hated absolutely everything besides the water.
Yeah.
The water's pretty good. The fact that there were so many people in there with smiles on their faces really pissed me off.
This might be one of the worst places that we've gone to in the whole history of this channel. And we've gone to some shitty spots. Everything that we had just didn't taste right. It just, you know what, the mashed potatoes and gravy I liked. The rice was okay. There were a lot of people in there, so I don't know. I think we might be missing something, but we ordered everything. Well, it's not for me, man. It's not for him. Might be for you if you want. Check it out, but don't be surprised if you hate it. Let's go find a Taco Bell. Tight fit. Can I make it? Yes, sir. How about any of you guys watching this video? Anybody been there that like it? I don't know. Tell me what you think of your experience of this place. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much I spent on all that stuff. About 19 bucks. Everything that you saw on the table, we spent 19 bucks on. 19 bucks thrown right in the garbage. Pissed. That Benelli 600, it's been a pretty good bike. We've had it now for several months and so far no issues. It even likes to drink diesel fuel. I know that bike's not really a traditional brand that you're used to seeing. I don't know, if you're into it, check it out. Isn't it sad that the place that you go to is so horrible that you have to resort to eating again, but at Taco Bell? I mean, I like Taco Bell, so it's not a real big diss, but dude, what a waste of a day.
The good stuff.
The good stuff.
This is what I live for.
That's it.
And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you go over to Brappy Clown's channel, see what he's up to, get his version of today's events. Big shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. I love each and every one of you. Huge shout out to all the sponsors of the channel. Remember, guys, support the companies that support us. We got Chaparral Moto, law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. I'd also like to welcome a new partner to the channel, LUIMOTO. Designer seats. If you guys are looking to improve the overall comfort and look of your machine, definitely give them a consideration. Link in the description of the video for them all. Love each and every one of you. Catch you later. All right, buddy. What are you doing tomorrow?
Not riding dirt dirt bike. Sorry.
No, I'm gonna be editing tomorrow. I might be down for a couple beers though.